Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fry an egg, Jamie Oliver's way. It's super simple and results in a perfectly soft and silky egg every time. First, grab a good non-stick frying pan and place it over a medium to low heat. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, just enough to lightly coat the bottom. Now, gently crack your eggs directly into the pan. As the oil warms, you'll notice it changing the egg's color. It's crucial to keep the heat consistent. If the oil starts to spit, turn it down right away to prevent burning. Continue cooking until the whites are completely set, but the yolk is still wonderfully runny. This careful approach ensures a soft and silky texture. If you prefer an over-easy egg, simply slide a spatula gently underneath and, with a quick flick of your wrist, turn it over. Remember not to lift the egg too high above the pan to keep that yolk intact. Cook it for just a short moment on the second side to achieve your desired yolk consistency, whether slightly firm or still very soft. Once your eggs are cooked to perfection, carefully remove them from the pan using a spatula to keep their shape. Place them onto your plate, and if you like, gently dab them with a paper towel to soak up any extra oil. Finish with a generous sprinkle of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly fried egg.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.